What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Remember, we have a new website that just dropped, so go check it out. Link is going to be in the description. You can just buy some, Subi fam merch, some keychains, lanyards, stuff like that. So if you want to check that out, remember, link is in the description. But yeah, today we're going to be working on the 07 Hawkeye, super freaking gassed. We're finally going to be getting some rumble on this baby. We're going to slap a downpipe on, nice Q300 Invidia exhaust. So I'm super gassed, and let's jump into it. Alright guys, so here's what we're going to be throwing on the car. Got an Invidia downpipe with the Invidia Q300 single tip. So, hell yeah, man. I'm super gassed to see how this is going to sound on the car. Shout out to J2, he's going to be tuning this thing. Alright guys, so we got the STI jacked up. There's the daily, baby. But plan is, obviously, we threw on the strut bar. So we're going to take the SPT strut bar off. Get the top mount off, start, getting things out of here so we can get access to the downpipe, get the downpipe out, stuff like that. So let's jump into it. We already got the strut bar out that I did put on that John had given us, so shout out to John for that. We'll throw that back on there, but obviously strut bar has to come out first, and now obviously we can start taking the top mount off to access the downpipe bolts. So let's get it. Let me just make sure the fucking camera's recording. Jesus, that came out like butter too. Alright guys, top mount's coming out. Look at the oil. Alright guys, we got that top mount out. Wow. It'd be nice if I got a pitch stop mount because it's nice and accessible now, no?
I need hydration.
Top mount is honestly in really good condition, guys. Like, those are like the only bent fins. Right there, which we'll try to fix that, but
usually,
bro, you're chilling. All right, guys. So right now we got Matt here as well, as you guys can see. He's going hard on this rusty ass exhaust. We already got the exhaust cap back unbolted. We're just taking it off the last hanger now, so I gotta help Matt do that. Then we'll start taking the downpipe off and get this new shit on.
So I know we gotta take off the three bottom of the turbo, and then you guys can take up the two off the top, right?
Yeah, once we get the fucking
All right, guys, here we go. Look at this freaking thing. Woo! The 07 needed it, guys. Oh man, I'm so gassed. It have some car seats and stuff. It didn't seem like it was clipped in right.
Yeah, it's not really clipped in. I'm trying to get it out, but I'm fighting it right now.
So we got Mitch working on that. Finally, stock cap back is off. Let's start working on getting the downpipe out. Matt's going hard, Mitch is going hard. We're sweating, it's a little warm out here, but we're hanging in there, man. All right, guys, so now that we got the cap back out, we're coming back over here to the heat shield. We do already have all the bolts out, but there is just one bolt pretty deep down there that, you guys just want to take your time with, obviously. But we're just working on that, taking the last heat shield bolt off, be able to take that out and access the downpipe bolts. Oh, there's two, Mitch? Okay. That's getting out now. Alright guys, so all the bolts are off for the heat shield. We're just kind of working at it, trying to get it out. Playing at it a little bit. Nice, dude. Aha, baby.
The bolts are clean, guy.
Holy. There she is, guys.
Minty.
Definitely the shit has not been touched. Hey guys, we're working right now. It's just under the car. We got Matt up top. We're just getting all the downpipe bolts to the turbo out, cracking them all loose and whatnot. So that's why I haven't really picked up the camera. But we're just getting those bolts off, and then stock downpipe will be able to come out, and then hell yeah. Alright guys, Matt just took out the stock downpipe. He's underneath. Mitch just got the last bolt. So we're good. Alright guys, so it's getting laid out. We're gonna see what we're doing here, but full exhaust is off. Now we're ready to slap that new downpipe on, the Q300. Heck yeah. We're gonna do the Cobb SF intake as well. So we'll just do it all at once and then get a tune for it. So.
That thing's like fucking on.
Hell yeah. Shout out to the Subaru shop guys, by the way, hooking it up. A nice OEM fresh turbo to downpipe gasket. Definitely, you know, whenever you're doing that, you're always gonna want to put new gaskets and stuff like that, new bolts. Might as well replace everything, you know. There we go. Get on there, Mitch, with the gasket, buddy.
Yeah, it's on there.
Nice. Dave, you got camera rolling?
Yep.
All right, guys, we got downpipe pretty much in, secured.
Drain.
The drink. No.
Oh shit.
There you go.
Where's the bumper? Yeah, right here. Thanks.
All right, guys, so, you know, fast forward to the next day. It did end up getting a little bit late out. There's no rush for this build, so we want to take our time, enjoy it. TCP's here now. We do have the catless downpipe already, you know, bolted up, connected. So pretty much all that we got left is connect the downpipe, get the top mount back on, and yeah. I ran to the Subaru shop today, so shout out to Jay and Craig, always hooking me up. We did, you know, grab some new bolts, a gasket, and a nice base map for the STI. So, you know, just to get it running okay, healthy until we do go get the dyno tune. So, hell yeah, guys. So I just want to kind of show you real quick what's going on here. We got the downpipe officially connected to the exhaust, and what we did was we zip tied the O2 just to make sure, because, you know, in the past we have kind of let the O2 a little loose, and it ended up rubbing up and, you know, killing the O2 and popping a fuse. So I just want to, you know, show you guys that. Maybe other people can learn from my mistakes. But yeah, exhaust is on. We'll go show you that from the back. Fitment looks freaking awesome. Super awesome. Oh my god, I'm so excited to hear how this sounds. Awesome fitment. So pretty much all we got left is we got a brand new Cobb SF intake and the post map. So we're starting to take the stock intake off. We pretty much just have to, you know, install the Cobb SF intake, get the top mount back on, and flash the car with Jay Perry's base map. So hell yeah. All right, guys. So Cobb intake is officially in. Shout out to Matt TCP for helping. We pretty much, I'm just tightening up some bolts. Matt's gonna put the top mount back on. We're gonna clean up a little bit and throw the base map on. So super freaking gassed.
All right, guys, we're struggling over here to get this top mount on.
Per usual.
Per usual. It's that stupid ass tube on the wide pipe that won't go on the turbo. Guys, day 6 of trying to get this top mount on. We've been coming here every day for like 4 hours trying to get this thing on. It just doesn't want to slide on. We got this bracket in the way. Just doesn't want to line up.
All right, guys, finally finished up the STI. We're in the car right now, just gonna flash it. Let's get the first start. I'm super gassed to see how the Q300 sounds with the catless downpipe. Heck yeah. All right, guys, so on the GD chassis, I didn't know this, but this was my first time pretty much dealing with it, is the access port. But to pretty much flash it, you have 2 green wires underneath the dash that you're gonna need to connect, and that just puts it in like test mode pretty much. But when you're done with that, you're just gonna wanna unplug it, and that's it. Got it.
Got it. Please, got it?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna click continue. Yep.
Alright guys, so fast forward, you know, to the next day. I was going to get you guys some clips exactly about how the car sounded with the Invidia catless downpipe and the Q300, but we did notice, you know, it was leaking, not the setup that we did, and it's definitely coming from the up pipe, and it's definitely the flex section. So yeah guys, next video we're going to pretty much take everything else apart again. We are going to end up pulling the turbo to check the up pipe because we know that's what's leaking. We can hear it. It's nothing that we just did right now. You know, I thought maybe doing this would fix it. I thought it could have been, you know, the turbo. It's a downpipe gasket, but it's definitely going to be, you know, the flex on that up pipe. So we're going to grab a new up pipe. We're going to be, you know, doing that in the next install. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. But remember, guys, if you're liking all the content and you like the channel, make sure you smash that like button. Show us all the love. Do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.